Good morning to all. Welcome to Syllabus of English channel. I am Nagini. This is the video record of the garden that I have created during my pastime. This is the banana growth. It's 1 year old. Papaya. You can see the branch of banana there. Bunch of banana. Papaya. Millet or ragi. This is 1.5 month old. This is the green gram bed as an experiment. I have sown some green grams here, methi, and this is the green plant bed. I have sown green plant, eatable green plant seeds here. ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ವಿವಿಧ ಬಗೆಯ ತರಕಾರಿ ಸೊಪ್ಪುಗಳ ಬೀಜವನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊಪ್ಪಿನ ಪಾತಿ. Eatable green plants seeds are shown here. To make this, I took nearly 7 hours to dig and to mix the soil with manure, organic manure, and then to create rows, and then to sow the seed, finally to cover the seed with the soil and all. Why I am recording this and uploading this video for your view is to show that even though we are alone, we can spend our time in such productive work. It's good exercise also. We can touch the soil with bare feet and we can enjoy the exercise of digging. And you can grow something for your use, everyday use, some vegetables or plants or something else. And we can spend our time usefully in this way. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye. Today I want to give you a task. At the beginning of the semester, I had told you to clean the courtyard or front yard of your house and to plant some seeds or plants of flower plants there after cleaning, and to make a video and to send it to me. And I had promised that the best video will be prized. The best video maker will be rewarded. Here also, if you have any small place like this near your house, front or backyard, or if you have your own field, is a task for holiday for your holidays. Let me see how many of you will take it seriously and make a flower bed or green plant bed or vegetable plant beds like this. ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛಗೊಳಿಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದಂಥ ಹೂವಿನ ಗಿಡಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಸೊಪ್ಪಿನ ಬೀಜಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ ಅಂತ. ಈಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದು ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಭ್ಯ ಇರುವ ಸ್ಥಳ, ಯಾವುದೇ ವಿವಾದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಡೆ ಮಾಡದಂತೆ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಅಗೆದು ಸ್ವಚ್ಛಗೊಳಿಸಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸುವಂಥ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ತರಕಾರಿ ಬೀಜಗಳನ್ನು ನೆಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮೇಕರ್ಗೆ, ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗೆ ನಾನು ಬಹುಮಾನವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೋಡೋಣ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದನ್ನು ಗಂಭೀರವಾಗಿ ಪರಿಗಣಿಸ್ತೀರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಜಾ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್. Thank you for watching. That's a neem tree. ಬೇವಿನ ಮರ. White hibiscus.